Now we are going to write k to h. Now come here. K, straight line. Now you made the straight line, right? Now without lifting the pencil, you will make one full circle and one half circle without lifting the pencil. Pencil उठाना नहीं है. Start from this center point. Full circle, come up till here and come this side, half circle. All right? Full circle and half circle. Matra. Straight line. Full circle back to this point. This is the point we started. Full circle up till the point, half circle. Now I did not lift the pencil, right? This is k. This is the matra. Sorry, this is k. Next we come to k. K is this half circle, slant line. All right? Half circle, slant line. Leave a little bit of gap and draw this line, straight line. All right? बिल्कुल पास में भी नहीं होगा लाइन, बिल्कुल दूर भी नहीं होगा, just little bit of gap. All right, little gap. And then make a circle like this. A circle like this. See, I have touched the circle with this. All right, I have touched the circle, straight line and a circle. The circle touches this. It is important to touch it. Matra here on the straight line. This is k. Next is g. Straight line and a little circle and a full straight line. Matra. This is easy, na? Straight line, circle and a full straight line. That is g. K, kh, g. Gh. Gh is ulta 3. Normal 3 is like this, right? But we will write ulta 3 like this. So it is this and this, and it goes straight up and it comes down like this. Like this. Ulta 3 goes straight up and comes down. This is gh. K, kh, g, gh. W. W is this. Remember how we wrote choti e? In choti e we made a tail. Here we don't make a tail. Small line, half circle, finish. Matra. And there is a dot here. This is w. K, kh, g, gh, w. Next is ch. Ch we'll write, make a little dash and goes like this and comes down. Little dash. I am not going to lift the pencil. No. Dash and a circle, half circle, goes up, comes down. Matra. That is ch. Next is ch. Ch is again like this. Ulta 3. This, this, and see this. Ulta 3 goes up and makes a long balloon and again comes down, and a tiny little line here, chotu, and matra, that is ch. Ch, ch, j, half circle like this. All right, j, dash and a straight line here, half circle, it's like a U, dash, straight line, matra, j. Ch, ch, j, jh. Jh is again something like this. It is like choti e. You will first write choti e. Little straight line, half circle this side, half circle this side, and a tail. Remember we wrote choti e like this. Now make a straight line close to it. इसके पास बनाना है, दूर नहीं, and join it like this. This is jh. Ch, ch, j, ch. Y. Y is like this. Ulta C. ठीक है, उल्टा सी, make a straight line and join it. Ch, ch, j, ch, y. Next we come to t. T is very easy. See, small line and a big round like this. Big C. Small line and a big C. T. Okay. Th. Small line, right? Small line and a round. This is th. T, th. Then we come to d. D is simple. Small line. D is like this. Small line, half circle this side, half circle that side. Simple. D. T, th, d, dh. Dh is something like this, a little like this. Small line, big C, and this. Alright, here it ended here. Here it's a small line, big C, and a little circle you make here. That is dh. T, th, d, dh, r. R is like this. U. Not a small u, not a big u, just this much, and a straight line. This is r. T, th, d, dh, r. Next we come to t. T is, make a slant line, make a dash like this. It's a little big dash, it's not a small dash. Like see, here it was a small dash, here is going to be a little big. Slant line, this. Some people also write the like this. They make a straight line and they do like this. This is also right. I write like this, this, and this. Both are correct. You can start from here or you can do it this way. Both are correct. The choice is yours. And matra, t. After t is th. Th is, see how you write th. Make a small circle, right? Chotu circle. You will not lift the pencil. Small circle, start from top. Small circle, ulta C, and it goes up like this. This will take some practice. Small circle, ulta C, another curved line and straight up and straight down. This is th. Th, d. D is similar to this, no, but there will be a tail. Small straight line, this and this. Now this line will slant. It will go down as a slant line. It will not come here. If you write, I'll show you this. If you write the, see this. If you write the like this, it is wrong. If you write the like this, it is wrong. The is like this. This is right. Okay. So let's get back to this. Small line, ulta C, and a balloon and a slant line. The. T, th, d, dh. Dh is going to be similar to this, gh. But there will be a little circle like this on top. Make a chotu circle. See, start from top. Chotu circle, come here, and then ulta 3 goes up, comes down, and the matra is here. Start from top, make a circle, ulta 3 goes up, comes down, and matra. Now there is one thing to be remembered. Any letter which has a little circle on top, we don't put a line on it. Alright, see, I'll show you here. If I write it like this, if I write th like this and put a matra on it, it is wrong. Th will be like this, but since there is a little round here, so we put the matra here, we don't put the matra here. This is right. Okay, so ta, th, da, dha, na, like this. This straight line, this like this, and a straight line matra. This is na, like this. It starts here like this, straight, this and this. That's na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Now we come to pa. Pa is like this. We have a curve here. We are not making a box. Straight comes down, curve, गोल बनता है, and a straight line. This is pa. Pa, pha. How do you write pha? First make a straight line. Alright, then one this and one this. Now just like we made a curve here, we will make a curve here. See, this is a curve. Now you will not lift the pencil and this will come again curve down. Here it is a curve, comes here, again it is a curve and comes straight down. Pa, pa, pha, ba. Ba is straight line, circle, and we cut the circle like this. It's a slant line. We don't cut a straight line, we cut a slant line. Straight line, circle, slant line. Ba. Pa, pha, ba, bha. Bha is a little difficult to write, but with practice you'll learn. Here again we have a small ball on top. Make, again start from the top, make a small ball and come down, make another small ball and go there. Okay, and a straight line. Small ball, don't go far away. Here, small ball and come down, make another small circle and go there. This is a little difficult to write, but you need to practice. Bha is like this, come down, another circle and goes straight here and a straight line here. See, I have not put the matra here because it's the circle on top. Bha and ma. Ma is the same as bha, only this circle on top is not there. Straight line, little circle, straight line. Again this side, straight line. Matra. Come down straight, make a little circle. See, this line comes down up till here, but this line comes only halfway. ये जितना लंबा है ये उसका आधा है. Here, circle, go to the right. Then the straight line goes to the right, and this is ma. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Next we have ya. Ya is similar to this, सिर्फ ऊपर ये गोल नहीं होगा. So ya is like this, ulta C, and it goes up and it comes down. Ulta C, then curved line goes up and straight it comes down. Ya. Ra is very simple. Ra is like this. This is Ra. Half circle, slant line, Ra. Simple. Ya, Ra, La. La, how will you write? Make a straight line. Straight line. Then start from here. See, this is the straight line. This is the center point. Center point से थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा सा नीचे. Start from here. Make like this. See, this. Center point. This is the straight line. This is the center. Center से थोड़ा सा नीचे. Like this. Like this. Okay, like you make a heart, like this heart. Okay, ये आधा हार्ट हुआ ना, like this मात्रा. Here ल, straight line, and this. See what we did here? Here we cut it, so it became b. Here we will not cut it. W. Here l, w. Last line, sh. Chotu, see, chotu goal, and this, chota circle, half circle, and this straight line. And remember, जहाँ ऊपर circle होता है हम वहाँ मात्रा नहीं लगाते. So this is sh, sh, sh. Sh is written like this. Straight line, curve, straight line, and a slant line. जैसे यहाँ पे slant line लगाया था, a slant line like this, and matra. This is sh, 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 s. S is like this. Like we wrote r, we'll write this. Half circle, slant line. थोड़ा सा जगह छोड़ो, make a straight line and dash. S, and last is h. ह कैसे लिखना है? ह, children make a lot of mistake in this. Small line and half circle, C, छोटा c, like this. Okay, again make another छोटा half circle, but it will be a little long like this. Okay, let's see one more time. छोटा line, ये and ये. Okay, see, this is not a half circle, this comes here and then goes down a little bit, and matra, that is her. All right.